Hoarders are lazy and don't care about their homes. This is a really tough one. This is a tough one because a lot of the hoarders that we've met and a lot of the hoarders that we've worked with, it seems like they don't care at times. And sometimes it seems like they're just overwhelmed. But one of the things that we've noticed, and I really want to pay attention to this, one of the things that we've noticed over the years is in this picture, it's easy to assume that the hoarder is the one in the bed, right? In this picture, the hoarder is actually the one that is in blue that is helping the person in the bed. It's the nurse. Now, what happens here is we have a nurse who has two small children, and she's a single mom, and she works a lot so she can pay the bills. And when she goes to work, she's caring for other people all day, every day. All of her energy, all of her time is spent helping other people and saving people's lives and making people feel safe and comfortable. And then when she goes home, she has two small children to deal with. So where on the scale of priorities is cleaning her home? Where does that even fall on the scale? And the answer is really nowhere at all. Okay. She's overwhelmed. That's true. She's doing her best to help other people all day, every day. And when she gets home, she's absolutely exhausted. And so is she lazy and not care about her home? No, she cares very much about her home, but she's spending all of her free time now caring for children and caring for other people and caring and caring and caring and caring. She would give you the shirt off her back. I mean, this is a person who really cares, but her home is a disaster. Okay. So I want us to be aware that some of the people that we see and work with every single day are in a situation like this. And they're everyday normal people and they are not lazy and they don't care about their homes. It is true that some hoarders don't. Okay. I don't want to say that all hoarders are lazy or no hoarders are lazy. There are some who are. But for the most part, these are not lazy people who don't care about their homes. These are people who care about other things and their priorities are different. Okay. That's it. Their priorities are different. And so as a house cleaner, when we've been hired to go inside someone's home, even on an extreme clean, where you come in and you bring, trucks that are going to help haul away bunches of stuff, what we have to realize is this is not a person that has just let their life go because they don't care. It's just that they find themselves in an unlucky situation because they've spent all of their focus and all of their priorities helping other people.